Welcome! We have created this video to guide you through what you need to know to apply online. SAIT.ca is a great place to start the process. Begin by checking the application deadlines for the courses you want to apply to. We always recommend you apply early. Courses fill up quickly, and you don't want to be left out because you waited too long. We offer year-round programs, which means courses could start anytime. So, in addition to checking application deadlines, also confirm the start date and term of the program you plan to apply to. Once you've done this, review the admission requirements that must be met to apply for the program. Some programs require added selection criteria to be completed as well. This could be a skills assessment test, for example. Other requirements can include proof of completion of specific high school or equivalent courses, other post-secondary certificates, diplomas, or degrees, and proof of English language proficiency. If you don't meet the requirements yet, don't worry. SAIT's academic upgrading program can help you get the core academic subjects and English proficiency you need. The next step is to apply. This is done online through the ApplyAlberta portal at applyalberta.ca. You'll need to create a secure MyAlberta Digital ID basic account first. And remember to save your login info. You will need it in the future. Once you're set up, you can start applying. There are a few things to keep in mind though. For starters, when it comes to fees, remember that every program you want to apply to will require a separate application as well as a separate application fee. These fees are payable by credit card, are non-refundable, and are $120 for domestic students and $150 for international. You'll receive an email roughly 3 business days after submitting your application and paying the fees. It will include your SAIT ID number and instructions on the next step, which is the submission of transcripts through MySAIT. Make sure you remember how to log into your MySAIT account, as it will be a critical tool for you in the future. The documents you must submit as part of this include official transcripts of all your completed education, both high school and post-secondary, and anticipated final grades for any courses you intend to complete and which are required for admission to the program. If you're submitting international transcripts, make sure you review the country-specific document requirements on sait.ca/IDA. If you're transferring to SAIT from another institution or have previous experience you think applies to the program, you will also want to look into the possibility of receiving transfer credits to acknowledge this experience in education. You can find more details on transfer credits and whether you qualify on sait.ca. With your application completed, now you can track the status of your admission. This can be done on your MySAIT account. You simply need to log in, go to the My Application tab, and select Check the Status of your processed applications. With that, you have all the info you need to apply to programs at SAIT. Remember, we're here to help you achieve the best education possible here at SAIT.